Hey friends, if you encounter the blue screen of death error with the error code attempted write to read only memory, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. If you find any driver which has a yellow exclamation mark associated with it, then expand it. Let's say it's the Bluetooth driver. Right click on it, select properties. Go to the driver tab. First try updating the driver, then roll back the driver if it doesn't work. I mean, if you have this option, mostly it's grayed out. Then select uninstall device, uninstall it, click on action and scan for hardware changes. It will reinstall the driver. Then you can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So here's what you have to do. Search for Memory Diagnostic tool in the Windows search bar and open Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on restart now and check for problems. This is very important because it will check your RAM for issues and then update the BIOS. Now this is a little difficult, but here's what you have to do. Search for the brand of your computer, space drivers. Okay. Now, if you have a Dell computer, go to the Dell website. If you have an HP computer or Lenovo computer, go to their websites. I have an Asus computer, so go to the Asus Download Center website. The procedure is same for all, what do we say, brands of computer, just the websites are different. So my model number is F507RE. You can find this at the bottom of your laptop or device. Click on this, select drivers and tools. Okay, wait for the list to load. And this is the page where you will be able to download BIOS and firmware. Okay, click on BIOS and firmware. It will need a while to load. And once it has loaded, click on the option to download the BIOS and then click on open. Now I won't click on open because I don't want to update the BIOS. It will impact the video, but you can click on open to install the new BIOS. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.